Hello guys! In today's video, we will be talking about how to integrate Square with Shopify. Integrating Shopify and Square provides businesses with a unified solution for managing both online and in-person sales. It streamlines inventory management, enables seamless omnichannel sales, and offers consolidated reporting and analytics. The integration simplifies operations by automating tasks like order processing and inventory updates while providing consistent payment options across all sales channels. With enhanced customer experience features like integrated loyalty programs and flexible order fulfillment, businesses can effectively expand their reach and improve overall efficiency in both online and offline environments. So to start, you should have a Square account first. You can create an account by clicking on the Get Started button here. You just have to enter your email, create a password, and choose your location. Also, you just have to agree to their terms and policy. Once you are done with all those information, you can just click on Continue. Then you just have to input all necessary information about your business, such as the business name and the kind of business you run. And as simple as that, you now have a Square account. So this is what your dashboard will look like. The good thing about Square is that you can do a lot of things here, as you can see. If you are just starting to use this platform, they even have tutorial videos here that you can utilize. You can even start creating your online store directly on Square. Just click on the online option on the left panel. And here, as you can see, you will have an option to start a site. Let's also click on the View Pricing button real quick to see the plans they offer. So they have a free plan, which of course will give you limited access to their features. And they also have the Plus plan, which is $29 per month, and a Premium plan that costs $79 per month. You can take a look at all the features each plan offers here and select the one that best fits your needs. Also, just to add, you can create a site as well on the Orders option on the left panel of the dashboard. But of course, our goal in this video is to integrate it to Shopify. Now that you have a Square account, you just have to go to your Shopify. Then click on Apps here. On the search bar, just enter Square Up. Then these results will appear. What you need to select is this Square Integration and Sync DPL. As you can see, this costs around $20 per month, but they also have a free trial available. So by using this app, you'll be able to do all these things. You can import your Square listing into Shopify and transfer Shopify inventory to Square, bulk product upload or import with descriptions, images, and pricing, link multiple Shopify and Square locations and sync inventory through shared SKU, automatic customer data sync between platforms with the customer sync features, and so on. Just see other information here as well as the reviews from other people who have already used this app. And then just click on install here. Then click install once again. So as I mentioned earlier, this app comes with a plan, but you can start with a 7-day free trial. So just click this button right here. Then you just have to choose between a credit or debit card or PayPal on how you want to pay for the plan. So the billing here will start after your 7-day free trial. So if you are satisfied, you can continue with the plan. Otherwise, just cancel your subscription before your trial ends so it won't get deducted from your account. Once you click on Approve here, you can then integrate your Square account to your Shopify. For Square, just to add, it also offers a Retail Plus plan, but you have 30 days free trial for this one. Square also has an app that you can download on your mobile device. So if you want to be completely hands-on with all the transactions, wherever you go, you can also just download their app on Play Store or App Store. Square is often considered a better option for integrating with Shopify compared to other point-of-sale software because of its versatility, ease of use, and comprehensive features that align well with Shopify's platform. Square offers a straightforward integration process with Shopify, allowing businesses to quickly connect and sync their inventory, sales data, and customer information across platforms with minimal setup. It is also known for its reliable and user-friendly payment processing system that supports various payment methods, both online and in person. This flexibility complements Shopify's e-commerce capabilities, making it ideal for businesses that operate across multiple sales channels. Square also provides a wide range of features, including advanced inventory management, employee management, sales tracking, and customers' insights. These features are easily integrated with Shopify, offering businesses a powerful toolset for both online and offline operations. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.